guys, welcome back to another BOXYCHARM video. But today we have BOXYLUX this month for December. And oh my goodness, can I tell you that it's freaking huge? It is heavy too. Okay, so I already like untaped it. So this month's BOXYLUX theme is "'Tis the Said Sun," like season, said sun, hat. Okay, so I will start off with whatever's in the box first. The first thing I grabbed out of the box is the PYT mini straightener. So first thing when you open it up, and for those of you who actually know me, my hand is pretty tiny, so if you put it right there, it's like the size of it. So it's 1/2 inch and it's 100% ceramic plates. Okay, the next thing I'm grabbing out of the box is a Spongel Blossom Blizz Beyond Cleansing. It's a body wash infused buffer. So, oh, I didn't tell you what the PYT, okay, the retail price for the PYT is $75. Sorry. Okay, next is a star. This is what smells so good. Okay, can I squish it? Okay. This like smells so good. It's 3 ounces. And a retail price of $20. Next thing is this Luxy Complete Face Set. So it comes with brushes. This set has Luxy 532 Round Top Blender, Luxy 522 Tapered Highlighting, Luxy, oh my goodness, I can't read today, Luxy 680 Pro Precision, Luxy 229 Tapered Blending, Luxy 213 Eye Shading, Luxy 221 Flat Definer, Luxy 201 Brow and Lash Spoolie, and Luxy 160 Lip Brush. So it has everything you need to create a full face look. So we are going to take this out. This retails at a price of $65 for the full face set. And next thing is, ooh, mascara. Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. And it retails at a price of $24. This is pretty darn cool. I've never gotten a mascara that has this. I kind of like it. I feel like it still feels wet. Is it waterproof? It's in the color black. Next thing is gonna be the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Strike Gold. So this retails at a price of $20. This is the Tarte Strike Gold color. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Well, okay, so I'm going to swatch it first, and then I will try it on. Oh, this isn't pigmented at all. Next thing is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadows. Okay, at a retail price of $45. This is so pretty. Look at that hollow effect. Okay, let's open it up together. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this off so it doesn't show the glare. These are all fall shades, like, ooh. So next thing is this Wander Beauty. Ooh, we've gotten something from Wander. That is really pretty. This is a blush and highlight set. Wow, those are pretty colors. That is at a retail price of $26. This is the bag nobody was happy to get, but it's pretty cute. Like, give it a chance, guys. So it's a Glam AF. So my mom asked what AF meant, and I told her, and she was like, but yeah. So it's a wristlet, and this is a retail price of $22. This is a Crimes of Beauty portable charger. So you have to connect it right here, and then connect it to whatever you want to charge it with, and charge it. So yeah, when you get it, you need to charge it. And okay, so I have my phone here, and yeah. Okay, so right here there's this little thing that you just pop up. And it has the Samsung one and the Apple one, which is very unhealthy for your phone, by the way, if you ask me. And okay, let's try this out. It is charging. And look, the blue light is on. So when you are charging this, it's a blinking red light. And when it's completely charged, it's a red solid light. Solid light. So this is charging. And oh, last thing. So the next thing on the list, oh, I closed it, is the anti-aging Elmis cream. Comes out to a price of $89. Oh my god. Okay, so that is that. Wow, look at that. Okay, so it's an anti-wrinkle day cream. Firms, smooths, and hydrates. Boy, you better work on my mama. Okay, so this is the, wow. It doesn't smell bad. Okay, I am gonna rub some on my hand. Just a little bit. Just to see how it feels. So hopefully this works for my mom, because she does have really dry skin. And, well, she's not getting any younger. None of us are. Wow, that smells good. It doesn't really reach, but this is as far as it goes. So I am going to turn it on, and while that is heating up to 400 Fahrenheit, I am going to do a look. Okay, so this is the final eye look, and I think it's okay. I mean, it matches my outfit, right? So that's all that counts. Okay, so I'm going in with the Luxie 213, and I have to clean it. So I went in with Bestie, and I'm just going all over the eyelid with that. And next, I'm going in with Teddy Bear on the outer eye. Next, I'm going in with glamping in the mid section. Next, I'm going in with Cranberry Splash on the outside and the top. Next is Wine and Dine all on top. And I'm going in with the Luxie 229, and I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm going in with the flat definer with, what did I go in with? I don't even remember. I'm gonna say, it was Glam Pink. So that is almost done. And I am gonna go in with the Luxie 213 with Crystal. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Go in with the Luxie 522 on Havana Lights. Okay, I'm going with City Lights. So that is the complete look, and I feel weird seeing myself in makeup because I don't wear it that often. So I'm just gonna redo my lashes and then let my hair down. So this is the complete look. Right here feels like I didn't. One's lighter than the other. So here's a straightener, and I've had it on for a little while. So I'm going to straighten the baby hairs right here on the side where they're normally, I normally just straighten that. Okay, I like it. But I would normally use it for my baby hairs. I wouldn't take it just like on travel. I would not just take it just to do my whole head. Maybe some touch-ups, but I guess that's what it's really used for, right? I am going to try it again with the Tarte. It's more of a lip gloss than what I thought it was actually going to be. I thought it was going to be like a metallic lipstick, or I am just dropping everything today. So, okay, it's going back in there before I drop it again. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. I don't care what it is. I hope you all enjoy. See you all next time on my channel. And it's stuck to my lip. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Hey guys, welcome back.
It's crazy time. Oh yeah.
Bye. I gotta close the damn door.
Why not?
Why are they yelling? Hey guys, welcome back to another BOXYCHARM video. But oh, I just hit myself. We got Boxy Looks. We got Boxy Look. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, where did I put the thing? Okay, I'm gonna open.
I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the band song.